Today I am going to show you VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is a function used in spreadsheets to search for a value in the leftmost column of a table and return a corresponding value from a specified column in the same row. So HLOOKUP is similar to VLOOKUP, but it searches for a value in the topmost row of a table and return the value from the same column in a specified row. However, XLOOKUP is a more versatile function introduced in Microsoft Excel 365. That is the latest version, capable of performing vertical and horizontal lookups without needing separate function. So I am going to show you how we can use HLOOKUP in Microsoft Excel. So let me expand this so that you would know how everything is going on. For example, we have these IDs, we have this column A, we have this column A, B, C, D over here, and then we have these IDs over here. And then from these IDs, right, which is here, which is in the column C, we want to find the name of the employees that is that have their corresponding IDs over here. Now, if you are somebody who is good in sorting, you probably have to sort the whole of this, but this is too much of a work. So I am going to use XLOOKUP to actually show you how you can find the names of the IDs over here. So what you have to do is you put in the cursor into the cell over here and then type equal to and then XLOOKUP. So XLOOKUP. Now we are looking at this ID, and then that is the lookup value, and then we have to go into the lookup, the array. So we are going into this array, which is the ID array. So we say comma here, we bring comma here, then we look into this array, and then any of this that matches, it should show the employee's name. So we click on the employee's name. So it shows you almost everything over here, and then what you have to do is that you close the bracket over here, and then you click enter. So when it show, you can see that the name of the person who had the ID 83743 is Robert Gomez, which let's say column row number 10, which we can see over here. If you want to find out the remaining over here, the best thing you have to do is to just hold this one and then drag it, and then it shows you almost everything over here. And now let's look at this one too. The ID over here with their compensation. So let's look at it. It's very simple. You click on it, equal to sign XLOOKUP. So you do that, and then we are going to look at the ID. Then you bring comma. Then we are going to look into, what are we going to look into? We are going to look into their compensation. So we look into we are going to look into their ID. So the array, the lookup array is going to be their ID, and we bring comma, and then we should bring their compensation. So their compensation is also here. You click on that, and then you can choose to bring the equal you can choose to close the bracket or not. So you just click enter, and then it shows you everything over here. If you want to look at the ID number, and then with the compensation, okay, let's look at the ID number over here. So you click on, you highlight this, and then you click Ctrl+F. We are going to find it. So let's say 4747530, which is also here, which is here. We click find next, and then it shows you everything over here, and it shows that the compensation is 88.4247. Thank you. And if you have any comment or any question, put one other thing you can do is you can just highlight over here and then bring it over here. That's it. So if you have any comments, put it there, and then I will be able to answer you. Thank you.